Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Take a quick second. I want to say thank you to the channel members. Thank you all so much. And I want to invite any of you who might be coming through, who might be checking out this unbagging boxing. If you're so inclined, please hit that subscribe button down below and that bell notification icon. It would really help me out. Today, we've got a package from Robert Amsler, that I ordered on Etsy. And the unboxing knife today is the Efengro 225, EF225. If I can get in here. I'm going about this the hard way. I apologize, guys. All right. All right. So guys, what we got here is pretty cool. This is an Amsler knife. These are available in different sizes, different configurations on Etsy. And here's the card for those of you who are interested. This is the Amsler Knives Hurricane Razor Magnacut 80 splash finish, and it's the mini, and its date of birth 8/24/2023. And those are some of the ones on the back. And then this is a titanium chain with several extra little gaskets to help it stick in your shirt. And again, this is all made in the USA. But check this little thing out. Talk about a small EDC. So I plan to wear this as a neck knife. Look at this little Magnacut blade. It is screaming sharp. Let's see if it'll focus on that. It's a screaming sharp edge. Fantastic little clip. I plan to carry it like in a shirt pocket. And then you've got this little sheath. Total retention. I mean, there's absolutely nothing in that. So the way I see wearing it, even though it's got a clip, as much as I am not a huge neck knife guy, this to me is more. Oh, I got a titanium chain too. Let's go with that one. So it comes with a couple of different chains. It comes with the hex bit, the little weehaw bit to take the pocket clip off if one should want to take that pocket clip off, and then a bunch of these little O-rings that'll be great for if those wear out. But let's check it out with this this kind of black titanium chain. Granted, I don't know if this will stay in a chain around my neck. I'm kind of thinking it will. I might have to shorten my chain here. But again, that locks into the Kydex. And then you've got this little package opener, this little poker stabber, slicer, and again, letter opener. You could pretty well remove the clip and run the O-rings up this entire handle. And what you would do is you would kind of soften that grab. But it's got a nice little sharpening choil. It's just a wicked little Tonto. I almost got the little, what do they call it? It's more of a One Cliffy style. It's kind of like this shape with this sharpened edge. That's the one I think Trust Aid has. But I wanted something a little different. And this 80s finish, I don't know why I went with that, guys. They've also got this in more traditional finishes, just like titanium. But when I saw this little piece of Magnacut, this little street scalpel, I couldn't resist it. And I will link Amsler's store on Etsy in this unboxing so you guys can check them out for this yourself. They make this hurricane razor in a bunch of different shapes and sizes. So this is the mini. This is the smallest. I would say they go out to be this big. So you can get one that's much more hardy than this one if that's kind of what you're looking for. But I've got a lot of knives, street scalpels that fit that larger size. So I wanted to get something kind of small. So that's the Amsler. The Amsler knives, made in the USA, Hurricane Razor, and it is the Mini 2049. That's the model number of the Mini. So when you look at the Etsy listings, you'll see he's got a couple of graphics that have a whole bunch of Hurricane Razors in the different sizes, right? So you can see how long each of them are. And he signs each one of these. It's just him making these guys. And I think they're really, really cool. I have no affiliation with Amsler knives. I'm just kind of a fan, so I wanted to bring one into the channel. I wanted to share it with you guys. I want to use it, put it through its paces. It's just an EDC kind of go everywhere scalpel knife. Let you know if I find that it's useful, if I think that it's worth it for what it is. I want to say this was right around $110 maybe. I remember it was I can't remember if it was 110 or 123, but it was right in there. And I can tell you, you don't save a lot for going for a smaller one. So if a larger scalpel's your game, it's not going to cost you a whole lot more. They're all right within that same price point. Now, I think I've seen them go up to as much as 200 for some of the larger ones, more intricate designs and finishes. But take a look, see what you guys think. I appreciate you guys stopping by. I'll throw this around my neck, let you know what I think about it. But I want to thank you, each and every one of you, for taking the time to watch the video. I'm just going to ask that you look out for the guy or gal to your left, that you look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for one another. Go forward, loving your heart. Choose debate, not hate. Know I love each and every one of you. Peace.